What is passive affiliate recruitment? Having invented the term in 2013, I was excited to see it go mainstream. In the next few minutes, I'm going to dissect the concept for you, giving you practical examples on how to make the most of it in your affiliate recruitment strategy. The term in question consists of two elements, passive and affiliate recruitment. It's a funny combination because affiliate recruitment implies onboarding, and onboarding almost always implies outreach, whereas outreach, by the very definition, is the act of reaching out. So there's nothing passive about it. But affiliates are no different from you and me. Most of us don't like being called or emailed or grabbed at the sleeve in an attempt to be sold something. Similarly, with affiliate programs, there's no deficit of them. And neither is there a lack of this selling activity, bombarding affiliates with invitations to join affiliate programs. So, affiliates are increasingly masking their contact information. They are not checking their emails or messages received by them within the affiliate platform, be it an affiliate network or whatever other platform your program uses. Additionally, various research by AFSTAT and affiliate benchmarks shows that affiliates actually prefer to find affiliate programs by themselves. This is where passive affiliate recruitment comes in. There's one word that can summarize passive recruitment, and that one word is findability. When affiliates are looking for new affiliate programs to join in your niche, you want yours to be findable. So everything that you do through the passive part of your affiliate recruitment gives your affiliate program more visibility, makes it more findable. Now, let me give you 7 concrete examples of how you can empower your affiliate recruitment on the passive front. I'll do this just to get your creative juices flowing. There are many more other ways to recruit affiliates passively. So, here they go in no particular order. 1, affiliate directories. Did you know that around 20% of affiliates actually use affiliate program directories to find affiliate programs to join? When they are looking for something in your niche, will they find yours? 2, affiliate program page on your main website. It is funny, so many merchants that do have affiliate programs do not have a dedicated page devoted to their affiliate program. You better have one. One that's SEO optimized, and better yet, increase it to the shape of a resource center supporting your affiliate program. Thirdly, paid search. This is one of the most underutilized ways to make your affiliate program more findable. But when affiliates are looking for affiliate programs in your vertical by querying their favorite search engine, you want them to find yours. You'll be surprised how inexpensive it actually is. Fourthly, your confirmation page, or the page that the end user sees upon placing their order or transaction with you. So once they've reached that thank you page, invite them to join into your affiliate program so that they could promote you to their friends and family and get compensated on performance basis, just like an affiliate. Fifthly, platform-based opportunities. Be it an affiliate network that you're on or any other platform, there may be opportunities to gain more visibility, be it by having an enhanced program or enhanced directory or category listing, or even being featured on the very first page that the affiliate sees upon logging into their account. Sixthly, consider adding a second tier to your affiliate program. There will be affiliates who may not be interested in promoting your product, but they may be interested in marketing your affiliate program. So remunerate them, pay them for referring new affiliates to you. Finally, advertising, wherever they are. be it an ad on their favorite online resource or an ad in the conference guide of a conference that they attend. Get your affiliate program in front of their eyes. So to recap, affiliates prefer to find affiliate programs by themselves. It is therefore important to make your affiliate program findable. That is why we want to be active and passive affiliate recruitment. Now go put this knowledge to good work.